Nicki Minaj. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicki, he know that he hit the jackpot. A baller tryna score, check them shot clock. But I hit him with them brawn Iguodala blocks. Eat the cake and he stuck on my toes, yes. Hitting them home runs, I be like, go Mets. I want a dude that still kiss me when he mad. Type that caught me diamonds, he could miss me with them bags.
So hot and stank. Teasha. Teasha. You didn't get a job? You was here all day and you didn't take a shower? You got the couch smelling. You got stink stains on the couch. I don't know what you talking about. Oof, you really stink. Huh? Well, it's a good thing I got some job applications in my room. I'll be back. Bro, why you gotta stink so much? Huh? What are you talking about? Might be smell like strawberries.
Around me are familiar faces, worn out places.
You're musty. You can't find a job. Can't you at least take a shower or something? I can't stand you. You have no job and you smell like a dirty hobo. Like, get out. That problem?
I know you're
yes, you stink. You stink.
Months ago.
Oh,
Trying to forget.
I don't know how we can live like this. Oh, okay. Oh, I found the laptop. I'm coming now. Why are you behind me? Nothing. Okay, so come look at these applications.
Why can't be so far away though?
I don't know what you're talking about.
That's okay, I'll come to you.
No. Hey, oh, I'm sorry. Just stink made me drop my laptop. You stink made me drop my laptop. Oh my gosh, my laptop. Oh. I think I'm gonna regret putting it on the stink cap. Can you take a shower, please?
What? You're calling me a coward?
Can you take a shower?
What? My name's not Howard. You know my name is Teasha.
Can you take a shower?
That's not making any sense. You want me to get devoured?
Take a shower!
Oh, why didn't you just say so? I'll take a shower.
Really? It was so easy.
Rochi, we gotta go.
What's wrong, Latanya?
Come on, the cops are coming. They know somebody's selling drugs.
Huh? I hear them. Let's go. Come on. What's that smell?
Teasha.
Hey. I finally got Teasha to take a shower. No way. Yep. Teasha, don't lie to me. I'm not lying. She's in the shower right now. How about you go check? Okay.
Fun.
You still smell. Ugh. I thought you took a shower.
What? I took a dunk.
Why? Is there everywhere?